I want to teach you something. Maybe you're here and the devil is trying to lie to you, or your body is trying to lie to you, or circumstances are trying to lie to you, or somebody is trying to lie to you. I want to teach you something. I want to teach you something, and I hope this illustration will help you. I'll say it calmly, but I hope it will help you. You know, be very careful of personal prophecy. Be careful of personal prophecy. Let me explain what I mean by that. I believe in prophecy, but one of the things I know is that I am not lost and I'm not a vagabond. Who understands me? I'm not lost. I'm not a vagabond. I'm not a bastard. That means I'm not in a place where if God wants to talk to me, that he'll be looking for how to talk to me. No, you didn't hear what I just said now. You see, like I'm talking now, the people who, this kind of thing, you don't touch them. What touches them is, as they're on the street, a woman they have never met before. Say, my daughter, come. I have seen something. My daughter, come now. My daughter, I know you have been trying to marry. The Lord showed me that you're going to marry a man this year. The man will be very, very rich. But listen, he doesn't have to be from your church. Just be open. Be open to the Lord. The Lord can bring a man to you from anywhere. When he brings him, just receive. Now, hear that. It sounds like a good one, but he has thrown something inside. All of a sudden, a sister that is committed starts looking for a man. And man will show up. I say man will show up. All of a sudden, one man comes and say, hello. Say, I don't like to beat around the bush. As I saw you, I just knew you are the one. I love you and I want to marry you. Sister has lost sense. The sister is not asking now, are you born again? Sister is not asking, I've never seen you in church. Sister has collected personal prophecy. The prophecy said that the man can be from. Then you imagine. You know, some family have prophets, personal prophets attached to the family. What nonsense is this? What is this? You are not, thank you. You are not a vagabond. You are not a bastard. What means is this? You are in a family. God knows I'm your pastor. Who understands that? So, when God wants to speak to you, he puts words in my mouth to speak to you. Those words will come in teachings. I don't have to meet you one-on-one. And when I do, that's great. Those words will be in Rhapsody of Realities. They will be there. They will be there. If for any reason there's a personal one, it must match up with all the training you have been receiving. If it does not match up, don't listen.